Here I am at the famous Odisha Hotel. It's located in Shahid Nagar behind BMC Bhavani Mall. So this is the entrance towards the restaurant. This is one of the most famous restaurants in Bhubaneswar. They serve traditional Odisha. As you can see, the utensils are made out of copper and our food is already here. You can see in front of me here, I'm having pokalo. Pokalo is actually a traditional Odian dish which consists of rice that is fermented with water and also yogurt. They come with the same side dishes that come with the thali. So this is dahi baingan, which consists of a whole aubergine like this. Rarely do you get this in Malaysia. You do get it in different styles. And as you can see, it's a bit watery here. They use rice and water. So you have to use your hands traditionally to eat it. It's an acquired taste. It's good for those who love tangy dishes that actually use yogurt. It's a bit thin. They do have salt in the table if you require extra salt. For heat, you can also buy the chilies that are available at your table as well.
This उड़िया का खाना प्योर हमारा उड़िया कल्चर खाना उड़िया कल्चर के खाना तो हमारा यहाँ का बेस थाली प्रिपेयर होता है तो यहाँ का उड़िया का थाली होता है उड़िया का आइटम सब रहते हैं तो भाजी रहता है उड़िया का मटन का रहता है खासी मांस स्पेशल रहता है हमारा होटल तो
Pokalo is one of Odisha's traditional dishes. It is typically eaten during summer to cool down the body due to the hot weather. So, pokalo actually consists of rice which has been soaked in water overnight, which is then mixed with curd and some extra water with some green chilies, curry leaves and also jeera, which is cumin seeds. Let's look at how we are going to do our pokalo today. The ingredients for our pokalo are cooked rice here. I have water and curd which has been mixed together already. Green chilies, I'll be using only one. Some cumin seeds and some curry leaves. All you have to do with this is to mix everything together. I'm placing my rice first into the bowl. And I'm going to add the water and the curd. Give this a slight mix. Here I'm just using one green chili, where all you have to do is snap it and add it in, together with some cumin seeds and also some curry leaves. For taste, of course we need to add some salt, and give it a stir. And there you have it, our pokalo is ready. It's that easy to do. So now we'll be looking at how to prepare the side dishes that will be going with our pokalo. The first side dish that we are going to look at is stir-fried radish. You can use any vegetable of your choice as a side dish, but here I have chosen radish, which I have grated here. Along with the radish, I also have some curry leaves, some red chili powder, turmeric powder, onions, as well as mustard seeds. For this side dish, I am using peanut oil. So just add some peanut oil to the pan. The first ingredient that you'll have to add in is mustard seeds. You'll have to allow the mustard seeds to pop. Once the mustard seeds pop, we will be able to add in the onions and curry leaves, followed by the radish and then our flavorings, which is turmeric powder and also chili powder. Now that the mustard seeds have started popping, I will add in curry leaves as well as onions. After that, we will add in the grated radish here, and then I will add in some salt as well as turmeric powder and chili powder. Our side dish of stir-fried radish is done, and it will look something like this. We will move on to our next side dish. The next side dish that we are going to look at is roasted potatoes Indian style. So for this dish, I am using ghee as the fat for this. So I'm adding in some ghee. Into that I'm adding masala allow to pop. Along with some urad dal, which lends it a crisp texture. Followed by ginger, green chilies and onions. After these ingredients are sauteed, I'll be adding in the curry leaves along with the potatoes and also chili powder and also turmeric powder with a little bit of your choice of curry powder. And also definitely we won't miss out the salt, which adds flavor to any dish. And our side dish will be ready in just a minute. This side dish is so easy that it's already done. We'll move on to our third side dish. For the next side dish, we'll be looking at a dish called dahi baingan, which means aubergines cooked in a curd gravy. For this recipe, I'm using coconut oil. First thing that we have to do is we have to roast the aubergine, which has already been split into two like this for easier cooking. So I'm adding in my aubergine as well as the dried chilies to roast at the same time. So once these are cooked, we'll be adding in garlic, onions, curry leaf and some jeera for flavor. And also for the gravy, we have milk as well as curd. For taste, we are adding some salt and our dahi baingan will be ready. Our dish of dahi baingan or aubergine cooked in curd gravy is ready. We look at our final side dish, which is stir-fried spinach. The next side dish that we are looking at is stir-fried spinach. I'm using gingerly oil or what is known as nallanai here. For this I'm using red spinach, which I've already chopped up like this, along with coconut, green chilies, garlic and onions and curry leaves. So here I'm putting in the curry leaves, green chilies as well as the onions and garlic. So once these are sauteed, I'll add in the spinach. Our final side dish of stir-fried spinach is ready. Now we can look at how we are going to eat the pokalo with all our side dishes. So here we have our pokalo ready along with their side dishes. Okay, let me take my bowl of pokalo here first. The side dishes that we did just now, I have here, I tried to replicate it a little like how I ate in Odisha Hotel. So it's on a copper platter here. And also my dahi baingan. With, of course, remember in the video, my travel vlog, we had it as big as this. Right. So let's look at the side dishes that we did. First we have the main dish, which is pokalo. Rice mixed with curd water, some green chilies and some curry leaves. Then for the side dishes we had stir-fried radish, which is grated radish, I've just stir-fried it. Dahi baingan, which is eggplant cooked in a curd gravy. This is potatoes roasted with a little bit of spices. Stir-fried spinach, and this is a special what they call boti chura. Boti chura is actually a mixture of rice which has been roasted along with some gram dal, some roasted garlic, and also in certain circumstances they do put peanuts as well. is ground into a coarse powder and is used as a flavoring by the side of it to add it to your food. So let me try the pokalo as well as the side dishes. I've sat down with my bowl of pokalo and side dishes. Traditionally, pokalo is eaten with the hands, no spoon is given. So all you have to do is get all your 5 little fingers right into this bowl of watery goodness here. So all you have to do is take it and slurp it. Really nice. You can also replicate this pokalo and the side dishes at home. It's a little bit Malaysianized, definitely using our Malaysian ingredients. You do not have to travel that far to Odisha to try pokalo. Replicate this at home. I would like to say thanks to Odisha Hotel for giving me a wonderful experience to try their local Odisha food. The restaurant is located in Bhubaneswar. So if you do have a trip to Bhubaneswar, do stop by Odisha Hotel and try out their traditional dishes, where one of it is pokalo. The staff in Odisha Hotel are very friendly and they will attend to your every need. You will feel satisfied, and also the dishes there are very homely. Even the surroundings, the place where you are at, everything makes you feel as if you are at home, away from home. Do try Odisha Hotel when you are in Bhubaneswar. I'm Kartini Kannan and you are watching Cooking with Kartini Kannan. For more special videos and also travel vlogs, do subscribe to my channel Cooking with Kartini Kannan by clicking the subscribe button below. Bye!